Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online class Ekalaiva. Today we are going to see subject science, the clause is 6, topic name is components of food. Today we have to see the components of food, vitamins and minerals. The last session we saw that the other three main components fat, carbohydrate, protein. Today we have to see the vitamins and minerals. See. Vitamins. First we have to see about the vitamins. See, our body needs vitamins and minerals for its proper functioning as well as the prevention from diseases. Prevention from disease. See, this vitamin and minerals both are called that disease fighters. They are called the disease fighters. Protective food. Okay, what is protective food means? Our body often affected by the diseases, no, by the germs like that, no. This disease provide give the protection from the protective food. What are they means? Vitamins and minerals. They giving the protection to our body. They fight with the disease. That's why they are protective disease. Okay, food. See. Why they need means it give the proper functioning to our body as well as prevent from the disease. Then vitamins, how the vitamins help means vitamins help in keeping our eyes, bones, teeth and gums healthy. Okay, our bones, we know that our eyes need the vitamin A. Vitamin A rich food gives the strength to our eyes vision. Okay, then next one is the bones. Bones need the calcium. This calcium help us to keep our body strong, bones strong. Okay. Then next one is the teeth. Teeth also need the calcium and then iron like that. Then next one is the gums. The gums is having the vitamin C. Vitamin C is giving the protection to the gums. So vitamins and minerals give that this like the helps they are giving to our body. Afterward, suppose the vitamin is lagging in our body, in our diet means what will happen? The lack of vitamins it affects the organs and causes deficiency diseases. For example, the vitamin iron. If I say the iron or vitamin A like that means, vitamin A gives the affect the night blindness like that. Vitamin C is not there means what will happen? We have the bleeding of the blood in our teeth like that. So like this deficiency will be happen if the this vitamins is lagging in our diet. Okay. Then vitamins are two types. We saw the fat are two types. We saw that now as well as vitamins also two types. What are the two types of the vitamin C? We can say vitamins are two. What does that means? One is the fat soluble vitamins. Another one is the water soluble vitamins. Okay. What is the fat soluble vitamins means? They can dissolve with the help of the fat things. Okay. So that's why it's the fat soluble vitamins. What are the fat soluble vitamins means? Vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K. These four vitamins are called the fat soluble vitamins. Clear? Then these vitamins are stored in the fat tissues of the body and used as when the body needs them. Clear? I told no, fat soluble means the vitamins are stored in the fat tissues. We saw there fat is absorbed in the cell by the cells and then these cells are called the fat cells. No, these vitamins are dissolved with the help of that fat cells. Okay. So the fat tissues of the body then they used when we need these vitamins, when they lagging in our diet, that time the stored fat cells stored the vitamins, no, they are added into the blood cells and giving that particular the nutrition to that body. Okay. After that, see, especially they given here vitamin D. We know that vitamin A means the carrot, papaya like that food having the vitamin A. Vitamin C means citrus fruits are giving the vitamin C. Like that many things as we can say. Many food items are giving that like that. Apart from this, we can get this vitamin D from the sunlight. Okay, where we can from the From the sunlight we can get the, from the sunlight, sun rays is there, no. If you are playing in the evening, the outside means we can get the sun rays into on the skin, no. Our skin having the melanin, it is the one of the pigment. How the plants having the chlorophyll is there, no, the plants having the chlorophyll pigment, as well as our skin also having the melanin pigment. This pigment give the protection to our skin cells. Okay, this pigment is there, no, I told the melanin pigment, it will be activated if the sunlight will be present on our skin. Clear? So vitamin D is prepared the presence of the sunlight. This vitamin D, it is called the ergosterol. Okay, this ergosterol will be activated if the sunlight, if we can get the sunlight to our body. Okay, then next one is the water soluble vitamins. Second one is water soluble vitamins. See, what are the water soluble vitamins? We can say vitamin C, B complex, as well as the folic acid. What is that? Vitamin C, B complex, folic acid. These are all the example for the water soluble vitamins. What is C? Okay, C, okay, folic acid. What is B complex? B complex means the particular type of the vitamins is called the B complex. For example, we can say B1, B2, B3, B6 as well as B12. Okay, these are all called the as a B complex. Then next one, they cannot be stored in the body and therefore need to be regularly supplied through the food. See, we saw their fat soluble means they directly stored in the fat cells. Okay, whenever we need, they release that, after that it added into the, when they need, it gives the energy that time. But this water soluble vitamins are not added, they are stored, they are not stored in our body, but whenever we need, we have that time only we can get the food, only we can get. Okay, so fat solubles are dissolved by the fat cells, but they are dissolved only with the help of water. Clear? They are not stored in our body, but whenever we need, we have to get through our food only. Clear? Then next we have to see the minerals. See, next one is the minerals. We know that minerals help in the proper functioning of the various part of the body. It does also help the proper functioning. What are they? Minerals are needed many important body functions. What are the many important body function means? Formation of bones, teeth and blood cells. See, it is actually the blood cells, RBC. Okay, it is the RBC blood cells. These blood cells are formed with the help of the minerals. Minerals means what is many things as we can say. Calcium, see, here is there no calcium, zinc, copper, iodine, iron. These are all example for the minerals. Okay, these minerals how they help means they are giving the formation of bones, teeth as well as blood cells. Okay, blood cells means we know that it has the hemoglobin. Hemoglobin means heme is a protein and then globin is a iron particle. So both are joined together make a hemoglobin. It is the red RBC, red blood cells. Okay, as well as the bones. Bones having the bone marrow. No, this bone marrow also having one of the calcium like that. So these are all important for these three functions. After that we can say these minerals we can utilize into two ways. One is the needed in the large amount of vitamins, and then some vitamins we need very small quantity of that. Okay, for example we can say some minerals are needed small amount, they need only small quantities to our diet. Okay, what is that? Calcium, zinc, copper, iodine, iron. These vitamins we need only small quantities in our diet. Okay, suppose we have the lot of the things like that means it gives us some other diseases. So they need only the small quantity. Then next one is the some as well as the some minerals are there. No, they need more quantity to our diet. What are they? Potassium, sodium, magnesium. these three are we need large amount of the diet. Okay, why this is means potassium, sodium, they are all giving the metabolism process is happening in our body, you know, they giving the extra support to that. That's why this potassium and sodium gives the extra amount to our diet. Okay, then next is the magnesium. Magnesium is used to our blood formation is there, no, there we need the magnesium along with the iron content. So this is the reason these three minerals are needed large amount to our diet, but some other minerals we need the small amount to our diet. Okay. Thank you children. To receive our online lesson, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you.